Finally, napansin din ang effort ng 18 ng Department of Tourism matapos silang tawagin sila ang newest tourism ambassador, no? Talagang bagay sila dito mag-represent kasi ang daming Pilipino talaga nilang advance worldwide, no? Kahit kasi yung mga OFWs umuwi pa dito kahit nakatira na sa ibang bansa para lang panoorin itong SB19. And perfect ito na way na ginawa ng tourism para mas maka-reach out pa tayo ng more Pinoy fans or mga foreigners para magpuntahan sa Pilipinas. Kaya tama lang din sila yung ni-name ng Department of Tourism. Nakaka-proud lang din na na-recognize sila kasi hindi sila napapublish minsan ng mga media eh. Kaya independent silang gumalaw. Kaya tuloy yung videos or mga pictures nila. Minsan hindi naaabot lahat ng buong Pilipino. Pero ngayon, sa tulong ng Department of Tourism, no, mas ma-advance, mabuboost pa ito. Makikita pa tayo worldwide. And yung SB19, nako, sobrang talented na mga yan. SB19's talent is undeniable. Their music is powerful and so is their influence. They have the reach to connect with fans across the United States, Europe, ASEAN, and beyond. And she said, and in the US, we're seeing that influence become something real. Filipino-Americans who grew up watching SB19 online are now booking flights home. Some for the first time in years just to see them perform on their home turf. May mga lumaki sa US, pumupunta pa ng Pilipinas para makita tong SB19. We are seeing the same thing across ASEAN where SB19's fandom is just as strong. Where a short flight makes the pull even easier to act on. Whether it's Filipino-American flying half away across the world or a fan in Taiwan or Bangkok just a few hours away, SB19 is giving people a real reason to visit the Philippines. That's the kind of reach we want to build on. Secretary Angara Matay added. Oh, Nax naman! As tourism ambassadors, SB19 will work with the DOT to encourage 18 worldwide to visit the Philippines and experience this culture firsthand. Pwede, no? I think some people might be wondering why I'm a die-hard fan of SB19. Maybe they think it's just about their looks. Hindi po. I've seen their potential since the beginning. Their undeniable talent, passion, vision for global domination. They proudly raise the flag high whenever they perform abroad, showcasing Filipino talent worldwide with pride. I'm proud to be part of the 18 community and I hope all Filipinos will support this talented artist. Wow! Hindi po ito about sa looks lang. Pagka talented talaga, hindi nyo pwedeng i-deny, magagaling talaga sila. Magaling sila. It's about damn time, SB19. Grateful and proud that SB19 has been chosen as tourism ambassadors. Congrats to Arma Halima. Thank you for always representing the Philippines with passion, excellence, and authenticity. As fans, we'll always be here to support you at every step of the way. Wow. Hindi pa man sila official Department of Tourism, Philippines ambassadors, binawagayway na nila ang watawat ng Pilipinas ang ilang musika. Oh, naano ako na. Salamat sa pagbibigay sa amin ng dahilan para maging proud Pinoy. It's long overdue but it's all worth it. Since then, walang hinanggan ng SB kundi ipakilala ang Pilipinas. Sobrang vocal sila every time sa lahat ng interviews, local, international, sa anong kaya ipakita at kakayahan ng Pilipino. Thank you, DOT. Hindi kayo nagkamali ng pinili kasi support nyo lang naman talaga ang kailangan. Wow! Ang tagal na palang inaantay talaga. Anong say nyo? Comment sa baba ano yung pinaka-naalala nyong moments ng SB19 na hindi nyo makakalimutan. Comment sa baba yung pictures or yung proud moments nyo no, before sila mag-start dito.